So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to duplicate this layer. So click on this icon. And now go to Filter, Gimp. And now in the search bar here, just type rain. So here it is. You will find it under degradation, rain and snow. Left click. So here it is. Now you can move the layer here like this to see the effect. So here you can zoom in, so you can't zoom out. So it's zoomed in 100%. So you can, for example, increase to 200. So I'm going to decrease to 100%. So this is the preview. Make sure to keep it checked. And these are the settings. So this is the angle. So this is the speed. As you can see, it makes the raindrops here longer. So this is the density, I think the amount here of the rain. Now let's see the radius here. So it's still, for example, it will increase maybe the size here. This is why the radius, so here. So if I increase it, so let's increase the gamma. So this one here kind of increase the density too, I think. And here it's the opacity. So now if you want to reset the settings, just click on this icon here. So now I'm just going to decrease a little bit the density. This, let's increase a little bit, for example, the speed. So I'm just going to leave the gamma like this. And now I'm just going to press OK. So press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. So as you can see, the gimmick filter created the rain on a new layer. So here it is. This is the before, this is the after. Can still, for example, decrease the opacity of the layer.